In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable strategy on Tradingview. This is a fantastic tool that can aid in visualizing and analyzing potential trading strategies systematically, helping you make more informed decisions without the guesswork. So, let's get started by heading over to Tradingview, ensuring you have access to all the features we'll be discussing today. First, you want to open your favorite web browser and navigate to the Tradingview website. Make sure you're logged into your account to fully access and customize your Tradingview experience. Once you're on the home page, you'll need to locate and click on the Supercharts feature. This is a powerful tool within Tradingview that allows you to view and manipulate various trading charts and data visualizations to suit your specific needs. Now that you're in the Supercharts section, direct your attention to the Indicators button. This is integral for adding additional analyses to your charts, providing insights based on different technical criteria. Clicking on this option presents you with various tabs, including the one for strategies. Selecting strategies will guide us toward implementing and evaluating automated trading systems. Once in the Strategies tab, look for the BarUpDn Strategy. This is a preset strategy that analyzes bar movements. Click on it and you will see it apply to your existing chart, overlaying it with analytic information. This visually demonstrates potential buy and sell signals based on the strategy's configurations. You can view relevant information and tips that emerge, giving you insight into how the strategy works and any patterns that are detected. Next, it's time to put the strategy tester to work. This is a powerful feature that lets you simulate how well the strategy would perform against historical data. By clicking on Strategy Tester, you'll see a new panel pop up at the bottom of your screen. This contains various tabs offering a deep dive into the strategy's past performance. One of these tabs displays Total P&L, or profit and loss. Clicking on it will show you the strategy's hypothetical earnings over time, allowing you to gauge its effectiveness at a glance. Performance is the next tab over. Clicking here gives you access to additional statistics on how the strategy has historically played out, including win rates and other vital metrics. After that, turn your attention to the Trades Analysis tab. This feature breaks down all executed trades, providing invaluable data for understanding why certain trades were made and their outcomes. Finally, risk and performance ratios are accessible by clicking the relevant tab. These ratios are once again beneficial for evaluating risk management based on historical strategy performance. And there you have it, a systematic method to enable and analyze strategies in Tradingview. This tool equips you with data-driven insights, allowing you to refine your approach and boost trading confidence. Remember, while strategies don't guarantee success, they are excellent for testing hypotheses and mitigating risk. Thanks for watching and happy trading.